What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's your boy Mondo. On today's episode, we have Ahren's Challenger. It's a 5.7. We got it cammed, and we redid the exhaust because he did have extremely small exhaust. I honestly don't remember if I did make a video the first time it came in. It was just for base numbers. Right now, we are actually dialing it in. I've already been working on it for a few hours. The car unfortunately had a push rod pop out of place, but we got it taken care of. There's no more misfires, car's running solid. So we're about to do some pulls, so let's check it out. Alright guys, so I'm about done with the car. All I have left is to dial in idle and drivability. Coming to a stop, it would want to search down for a bit. Unfortunately, I didn't get none of this on video as it was really late yesterday and I was running out of time, and I had to close up shop because all the employees were ready to go home because I did get a little bit backtracked. So this is actually how it sounds with the Texas Speed Stage 3 cam. So check it out. Excuse the mud and dirt on the car. It's been raining a lot here lately, so yeah, it got a little muddy yesterday when I was test driving. But other than that, we did pick up approximately 45 to 55 horsepower and torque nonetheless as well. So this cam was a little harder to tune than the last 274 I did from Comp Cams. So it did take me a little bit longer to dial it in to get it to idle right and all that, but it sounds amazing and got some great gains. Obviously this doesn't have the VVT anymore, so it is locked to a single angle. I feel like that kind of hurt us in the low end, but we gained a lot of top end. So yeah, other than that, we're pretty solid. I'm gonna see if he wants to upgrade the manifold because I am losing power above well, not losing power, but I'm not making power above 6, and the cam specs should allow us to rev it a little higher, but it's just the manifold, I'm pretty sure, is really restrictive because my map pressure is also dropping at that RPM, so there's just not enough volume in there. Other than that, we did upgrade the exhaust to 3-inch. It has carbon R's, so there's absolutely no restriction on the exhaust side besides the high flow cats, but even then, those are a huge improvement over the stock cats. This does have the BBK headers, I believe, ceramic coated. But other than that, the car sounds amazing, and it runs really good. With this cam, I do suggest you get a slightly higher stall on the converter because it is a little bit of a dog out of a hole. The power band doesn't kick in till above 3 grand, so it's pretty dead. There's not enough torque at that low in the RPMs, but once you hit 3K, this thing just takes off. So I'm gonna work a little bit more on the idle, but I don't want to bore you guys with that information. So this will wrap up today's video, and thank you guys for stopping in, and I'll see you next week.